do sun salutation at least on Sundays, as it's specifically said that it's Sunday, Sun's day. So we're going to learn sun salutation today. First of all, Samasthiti, grip your ground, stomach in chest out, shoulders relax, eyes locked to 90 degree. Then slowly inhale and raise your hands. Bring your hand into Namaste position. Slowly bend forward, exhale from the mouth. You can hold here for a few seconds as a beginner. Then start inhaling to the center. As you're dropping your back, exhale completely. Keep your shoulders away from your neck. Open your heart. Then start inhaling to the center. As you start bending forward, exhale slowly and completely. Drop your body. Transfer your weight on your toes. Then bring your slowly right leg to the ground. Your ankle and your knee should be in your line. Look down. Sanchalan. Inhale. And as you go back, exhale completely in mountain pose. Try to touch your heels to your mat. Keep your knees straight. Keep your shoulders away from your neck. Slowly drop your knees. Inhale. And then drop your chest. Exhale. Astang. Only 8 part of your body should touch the ground. 2 of your feet, 2 knees, 2 palm, and slightly 2 of your chest. Rest of the body should be in the air. That's why it is Ashtanga Namaskar. Now stretch your toes out. Inhale. Raise your body up to your navel. Keep your shoulders away from your neck. Cobra pose. Inhale. Now tuck your toes in. Start inhaling. And as you're going into mountain pose, once again exhale. Keep your shoulders away from your neck as I told so that you can breathe. Try to touch your heels to mat as Parvatasana. Now bring your left leg forward. गलत हो गया. Bring your right leg forward. Asva Sanchalan. Try to keep your heels straight. If you can touch, try to touch your heel. Start inhaling, and as you're going into full forward, exhale completely. Keep your shoulders away from your neck once again. Transfer weight on the toes. Slowly scroll back. Inhale to the center, and then start exhaling as you going into backward bend. Keep your knees straight. Very good. Now start inhaling. Come to the center as you once again bending forward. Exhale. Namaskar. Slowly come into Samasthiti. Raise your hands and relax. So this is Sun Salutation. This is Tathastu Sarvottam Sun Salutation. It is slightly different from traditional one. Sorry, how many rounds you should do in Surya Namaskar daily? To know this, keep watching Sarvottam Yoga.